So when we started the company, we already had 10 years of experience in engineering and manufacturing EO sterilizers. So we didn't come out of the blue. We had gained a lot of knowledge and know-how in EO sterilization processes. But what we didn't have is manufacturing facilities. So we thought initially about vertical integration, but we quickly decided against it. The reason is that our DNA is really the engineering of systems, the design of innovative models. So we needed to identify the right partner to do that. And it was not just a company good at welding stainless steel plates. We were looking and we wanted the best company to do the job. And before all, we wanted to identify someone sharing the same value and the same passion for quality and having high standard work ethics. We knew S2C from past experience. We knew that they had state-of-the-art machines to manufacture state-of-the-art equipment. And that was really the right fit for us. The thing that we really enjoy with S2C is that they always listen to our needs and they always bring a technical insight to our design. And last but not least, they help us think outside the box. And thinking outside the box for SOLSTEO is really key for creation and innovation. This is SOLSTEO's way to always keep one step ahead.
We see this business relationship with SOLSTEO as a partnership. This kind of collaboration can only work if both parties are on the same set of mind. And this is the case with SOLSTEO. We use our expertise in other industries to define the best solution in terms of innovation, design, manufacturing and logistics. So we have frequent work sessions together. We challenge each other all the time to come up with the best solution from both technical and financial perspectives. But the most important thing is that we work in a fully open and transparent manner. S2C was created in 1960 in Angers, here in France. The company was first a boiler maker and mechanical welding shop, and now we are expert in heavy structure design and construction. In high technology industry such as aerospace, defense, energy, environment, and we also serve, of course, the medical device industry with our collaboration with SOLSTEO.
So that partnership leads us to believe that we made the right choice. We never look back on vertical integration. We are strong believers in that extended enterprise model whereby S2C and SOLSTEO bring added value to the table. This is one way to guarantee that customers at the end of the day benefit from both worlds, from S2C manufacturing expertise and SOLSTEO technological innovation. And I'd say, as a conclusion, that this is a win-win-win situation yet again, whereby it's good for S2C, it's good for SOLSTEO, and eventually it's good for the customer.